Good morning. I am Dr. Jayesh Patel from Secondary Teachers Training College, Visnagar. Today I would like to give my opinions about the Teacher Education Refresher Course program which was organized online from 6 September to 19 September 2021 by UGC MHRD, Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Actually, this program was organized in a well mannered, logically, each and everything was well planned by Dr. Jagdish Joshi sir. Actually, in the beginning we were thinking that the online program will not be enjoyed and properly managed, but I had my past resource refresher course from Kashmir Srinagar University, Darjeeling, Siliguri and Himachal Pradesh University. That was physical, but the present online course is managed in such a way that I don't feel each and every participant is not feeling that this is online course. Each and everything has been conducted and well planned. The course looks like the offline course. Each and every day 4 lectures were given and each and every participant has to go through the 4 lectures. One lecture consists of 1.5 hours. One live session was organized from each and every day from 3 to 4:30. In the beginning, in the inaugural function, the Kamalji sir, the Jignasa madam, Dr. Jagdish Joshi sir, Amrut Bharwad sir and other eminent personalities of the education were present, and they all give instructions about how refresher course on teacher education is and what are the expectations from the teacher in the future. Dr. Jagdish Joshi sir has explained each and everything in the beginning, how this course will run in the future, how the submission has to be done, on which day the submission and by which way that you have to submit. The deadline was also given. Really, the submission was also given at the interval point of time. It means that one doesn't feel the body and feel burden. Each and every participants, the most of the videos which are presented in the lecture every day, just like National Policy on Education, the lecture was the live session by Dr. S.K. Yadav sir. Each and everything regarding the National Policy Education of the 2020 has been discussed, and not only discussed, but each and every participant has participated in the discussion. K.H. Yadav sir, Bloom's taxonomy was discussed on the first day. Really, Raviraj Rajpura has discussed about the blueprint. And there was in the second day there was a live lecture on health issues, how the health issues can affect the children and the people of India. Dr. Vishal sir has explained what is plagiarism. Dr. Vishal sir has explained neurosciences of learning, how brain works, and he was also told that how cognitive science is affected to the learning. Moreover, there are cognitive scientists has done an experiment on a rat. There was a chip on the head of the rat, and they ordered on the chip, and the rat moves in the desired direction. Suppose the order is given on the right direction, the rat moves on the right direction. Dr. Jivani sir has also given a live session, and really I am very much influenced by the video lectures given by the Jivani sir. Each and every lecture was really the best knowledgeable experience that we have got. Dr. Jivani sir presented the videos and how to mixing the videos and how the content can be developed, the plagiarism, different softwares of the plagiarisms, and how to manipulate the videos, how to work with the image, and how to work with that are different types of things are given. How to image manipulation, screen recording, screencasting, streaming, this all the basic information for online creation of the content has been given to us. Really, all the lecturers were knowledgeable, and each and every session was discussable. Dr. Nipa madam has also discussed about the values in the teacher education program, because as a teacher the values are the most important part that plays. Dr. Gurudatta sir discussed about the trademark, how to protect the trademark, what is copyright, because in the present time how to cut, copy, paste is done, and how to protect our document, that is the most important part of our teaching learning program. So my dear friends, actually the online program, Dr. Jagdish sir, I am very much thankful to Dr. Jagdish Joshi sir, because each and everything was managed very well. In the inaugural function was also done very well, and most of all I would like to say that to thankful to the Gujarat University MHRD, Dr. Jagdish Joshi sir and the team, because we were also given a technician for technical help, those who don't know about the e-resources, and they were available anytime in the daytime, from early in the morning to late night. They were helping us very well. Really, we are very much thankful to Dr. Jagdish Joshi sir and MHRD particularly. Thank you very much, and I am very much thankful to all the UGC MHRD. Thanks.